What's up, everyone? Thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to do a gentle neck stretch. I know our lifestyle can be a lot of sitting and on our phones, which leads to neck pain. So today we're going to loosen it up. My name's Gillian and I'll be guiding you through this yoga practice. So we'll start out in a comfortable seat. You might want to sit on a block or a bolster. If so, press pause and go grab one. So once you're comfortable, cross your legs, bring your hands to your knees or your thighs. Take a deep breath. Come to center. Inhale and exhale. Inhale 2 more times, expanding your chest. And release 1 last time at your own breath. If your eyes are closed, open them. On your inhale, you'll bring your shoulders up to your ears and exhale back and down. Inhale your shoulders up to your ears and exhale back and down. Do this a few times at your own breath. And we'll switch directions. Bring your shoulders up to your ears and exhale forward and down. Just keep doing this a few times at your own breath. And relax your shoulders. Bring your chest forward. Inhale as big and broad as you can make your chest. And exhale, sink back. Keeping your hands on your knees. Inhale, come forward, broadening out your chest. And exhale, curl your spine and sink back. Inhale, come forward. And exhale, sink back. Just do this a couple times at your own breath. And come back to center. Drop your right hand down. Bring your left arm up for a side bend. You can look down at the mat. Feeling that stretch along your side. Looking down at the mat also helps you get an extra neck stretch. And rise up, we'll switch sides, plant your left hand and side bend, maybe looking down at the mat. And come up, drop your hands to the mat, and we'll come into eagle arms. So you'll bring your right arm underneath your left arm, and you're kind of weaving your arms together. I'll come to the side so you can see this a little bit better. And on your inhale, lift your chest, pulling your elbows up towards the sky. And exhale, sink your elbows towards your belly button. Inhale, lift your elbows. And exhale, sink towards your belly button. Just do this a few times at your own breath. And come back to neutral. You'll switch arms. So this time your left arm will come under your right elbow. And lift your elbows. A little back bend here. And drop your elbows towards your belly button. Inhale, lift your elbows. And exhale, drop. Just keep doing this a few times at your own breath. And unravel your arms. Bring them back by your side. We'll just do a couple more shoulder circles. And relax. Bring your chin to your chest. And lift your chin. Bring your chin to your chest. Inhale, lift. Bring your chin to your chest. Inhale, lift. And return to center. And bring your hands to your heart. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope your neck feels a little bit looser. Just try to do this maybe at the end of every day or after you're done working, and hopefully you get some good results. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.